Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be painting a hood and a fender. It's going to be going the original color. The color code will be PW7 from Dodge. It's a white color. This hood was brand new, but it had a couple of dents. I repaired the dents and I still have some metal showing. So I'm going to have to be using something else. I'm going to be sealing it, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the epoxy primer, but I'm going to use it as a sealer. Okay, I'm going to be using it as a sealer so that bare metal will be covered up perfectly. So let's just get started. Let me show you how it's sprayed and what you need to do instead of using it as an epoxy primer, to use it as a sealer. This epoxy primer is mixed 1:1. I already poured it on my 1:1 measurement, and now I'm gonna apply the activator so that I can pour it in the gun. The gun I'm gonna be using is a WS400 Evo from Iwata. It has a 1.3 tip, and I'll show you the regular adjustments that I'm gonna do and the air pressure. All right, everything's ready. I already cleaned it with a wax and grease remover. We're good to go. Let's start spraying. There it is, one coat. That's all you need, just one coat. Now, you're gonna have to let it dry for about 20 minutes. It has to be completely dried. So I'm just gonna let it set for about 20 minutes. I'll come back, start applying my base. all the 3 coats of base have been applied. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and start applying that Grand 7 clear. There it is, Grand 7. That's what I'm gonna be using for the clear coat. And I'm gonna be using my LS400 Intec with a 1.4. I found out that the 1.4 tip works a lot better for the Grand 7, lays it down like glass. So that's what I'm going to be using. Let me show you the adjustments for the gun. And there it is, after 3 coats of clear. Now, the epoxy primer that I applied, now you can see that it can be used as a sealer. Has a real nice adhesion to it, so it's going to be nice and strong, and you won't have any problems. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. I hope you guys now know that the epoxy primer can also be used as a sealer and as an epoxy primer, as a primer. So hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys like this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, comment, and go to that video where I'm gonna be giving away the paint guns. It's gonna be 10 gifts. 2 of them is gonna be paint guns. So go to that video, guys. I'm gonna link it down below, and subscribe. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you this coming weekend, guys. All right, thank you. God bless.